As creators, we've all had footage that looked great on the camera screen, but disappointing once we opened it on the computer. Blurry photos, noisy videos, and low-resolution clips don't always have to be deleted, especially when reshooting isn't possible. Today, I'll show you how Filmora 15's new AI enhancement tools can help bring them back to life.
Whether it's an old photo that needs more sharpness and detail or a blurry image caused by missed focus, Filmora 15 can restore it using AI, all without leaving your editing workflow. But where it becomes even more impressive is with video. From low-resolution and heavily compressed footage to noisy night vlogs, street scenes, and low-light indoor videos, AI can recover clarity, reduce noise, and bring back details that would otherwise be lost. Everything happens right inside Wondershare Filmora 15. Let me show you how each tool works. First, place the old low-quality photo on the timeline. Then, double-click it to open the image settings. Under the Basic tab, scroll down to the AI Image Enhancer section. You can choose On-Device Generation, so the image never leaves your computer and is processed locally. For images, we have the standard AI Enhance mode, and in my case, it will cost 20 AI credits. Click Generate and wait while the AI scans the image and restores the missing details. There you go. The image is now sharper, cleaner, with improved detail and a higher resolution. This not only enhances your editing workflow, but also allows you to export a much better quality image if you want to print this lovely family portrait. As you've seen, the built-in AI Image Enhancer does an excellent job. Let me use this transition called Laser Swipe Blue to showcase the before and after enhancement. You can clearly notice how much improvement has been made thanks to AI. Next, this image of the cat just missed the camera focus, making such a beautiful capture almost unusable. We can fix that with Filmora 15's AI Image Enhancer. If you look closely, the enhanced image is much sharper and more detailed. At the same time, it doesn't lose its originality or start looking artificially generated. Instead, it looks much closer to how the photo could have appeared if the camera had focused properly. That's how powerful this tool is. Now let's move on to videos. Here, there's visible noise and a noticeable loss of detail, something your client might find unprofessional, especially if you only discover it after reviewing the footage on your computer. With Filmora's AI Video Enhancer, it's possible to produce a cleaner, sharper, more studio-quality result. First, we'll try the standard mode, which is faster and costs 20 AI credits for this video. I'm using the free trial, so let's enhance the footage and see the results. It's done, and as you can see, the visible noise is gone. The hair and facial details are much sharper. The skin looks cleaner, and that grainy appearance has been removed, making the footage look polished and ready to edit or add to your final project. This AI enhancer can truly save your projects by turning footage that seemed unusable into something you can confidently use. Now, there's also a Generative Enhance mode, which can deliver even better quality than the standard model. It's currently limited to videos up to 3 minutes long, 60 FPS, and 4K resolution. Let's try this mode and wait for the processing. It's ready. And once again, we get a higher resolution, sharper, and more detailed video. Next, we have this night video, the most challenging scenario. Even though today's smartphone cameras are excellent, night footage like this often ends up with excessive noise and a noticeable loss of detail. Filmora includes a dedicated AI night view mode, and it costs me only 4 AI credits to generate a cleaner AI-enhanced version. Now that the AI processing is complete, we have a much more usable video. The enhancement not only reduces the noise, but also brightens the footage. It makes the darker areas more visible, the buildings clearer, and even cleans up the sky, which usually contains the most visible noise. A typical denoise tool often removes fine details and gives the footage a watercolor effect, but this result definitely doesn't suffer from that problem. Finally, we have this animated video, which lacks detail because of its low resolution.
Mike Wazowski.
Maybe it was downloaded from social media, sent through a messaging app, or originally recorded on an older smartphone. For this, we'll use the most advanced AI model, Topaz Starlight. It supports videos up to 1 minute long, and the processing takes some time. Let's start generating. Well, The result is a dramatically higher resolution video with much sharper details. The pixelation is gone and the colors also pop more, making the footage look significantly upgraded. So whether you're a content creator, a wedding or event videographer, or a professional editor,
the AI enhancement tools in Filmora 15 can help restore low-quality media and maintain the high standard of content you create and deliver to your clients. Give them a try in your next project. You might be surprised by the results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.